This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry macaroni. First, gather your ingredients: 1 pound of elbow macaroni, 2 tablespoons of curry powder, and 1 cup of milk. You'll also need half a cup of shredded cheese and 1/4 cup of butter. Have a large pot ready for the pasta and a saucepan for your delicious curry cheese sauce. This simple dish is a flavorful twist on a classic comfort food. Now, let's get that macaroni cooked perfectly. Bring about 6 cups of water to a rolling boil in your large pot, adding 1 teaspoon of salt for flavor. Carefully add the 1 pound of elbow macaroni and cook it according to package directions, usually 7 to 9 minutes, until al dente. Once cooked, drain the macaroni thoroughly in a colander and set it aside, ready for the sauce. Next, we'll create the star of the show, the curry cheese sauce. In your saucepan, melt 1/4 cup of butter over medium heat. Stir in 2 tablespoons of curry powder and let it cook for about 1 minute to release its aroma. Gradually whisk in 1 cup of milk, allowing the sauce to thicken. Finally, add half a cup of shredded cheese, stirring until it's completely melted and smooth. The final step is bringing it all together. Add your perfectly cooked, drained macaroni directly into the rich curry cheese sauce. Stir gently but thoroughly, ensuring every piece of macaroni is beautifully coated with that flavorful sauce. Serve this delightful curry macaroni immediately, either as a comforting main dish or a unique side. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.